So another way to edit is to make it a bit cleaner, and that is to delete everything off your timeline. So now I've got a fresh new timeline, and what I'll do is I'll head to my bin where all my assets are saved, and I can add them one by one in the order that I want. That might be a nicer way for you to work. So when we're in our bin, these are all our media assets, and you can see if I hover over a clip, I can scrub through the footage. So as I'm trying to quickly decide which clips I'm going to use and which I'm not, I can scrub through like that. If I want to use it, I can click on it and go add, and it will add it to the timeline. I can also just drag it straight down. What I can also do though is I can click on these three dots. It again lets me add it to the timeline, but if I click this open, it gives me this mini editing area where I can edit this clip on its own. So if I play it, I can watch it all here, and I can decide that actually I only want to bring in this section, and with that then I go add, and you can see it's added it to the timeline, but it's a slightly shorter version. All the original media is still there, it's just you've done a little edit there. So if we click back, we'll try and add something else. To add multiple, you simply click and you'll get numbers, and you can see you can go add 3, and all 3 will be added in the order you clicked. Down here you can filter what's in your bin to find things easier. If you're looking for a music track, sort them by name also. So that is your bin.